Okay, I'm really excited to have this finally done. So the first thing that you guys wanted us to show us is that by typing in localhost Acme products, it will pull up the products management page, and it does. So if I hit new category and don't hit anything, it says please provide a category name. I haven't done that yet. So if I type in duck, add category, it's going to take me back to the product management page. And if I go into categories on my database, I can see, wow, duck now exists. I'm going to delete that because I don't really want it there. But then if you, oops, I'm going to silence that for a minute there. All right, then if I go into products, again, if I hit products and don't add anything, it says please fill in all the information. So I'm going to do that and show you. Really quick, I want to show you that um, inside the inventory information, dynamite is indeed not already there. Oh, it is. Maybe I should delete that so I can show you. Okay, so I just deleted it, and now I'm going to show you that by putting in all of this information, the images, the thumbnails, all of that, um, that I will be able to um, add in that product. Okay, so it says it's been added into inventory. I'm going to check it really quick to make sure. And if I refresh this page, I can see, yep, I did indeed add dynamite into the inventory. I am going to delete it again because I don't really need it. And then I'm going to show you all of my valid PHP. For some reason, it won't let me validate it on Google Tools, so I'm just going to show you, all right, no issues found with that on my index. And check my products page. All right, no issues found on that as well. Let's look at the products model. All right, no issues found there. And then new category. Again, no issues. And then lastly, the product management page. Let's check that one out. Sweet, no issues found. So as you can see, it's working. All of the error messages show us properly. I can get into it by putting localhost Acme products. Everything is working.